So, yeah, this is about empirical science in some way. So I want to start with a small experiment which I did. I'm located at this school here, École Polytechnique, and it's also called X for some reason. And I was thinking, what happens if I put X into Google Maps? Okay, you already saw that something happened, so we see something, and indeed, what I get here is École Polytechnique. The École Polytechnique is situated here, which is about 20 kilometers from the Eiffel Tower, which is, as all of you know, in Paris. And now, you could have kind of paused a little bit and think, really, X and École Polytechnique, this cannot be the case. And I did cheat a little bit, indeed. So what I actually was Googling was the French translation for the X. And that's how the school is named. So you can see it here. There's a little L apostrophe, X. And so Twitter was not able to take that over yet. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, so why this talk? So, well, there are many reasons why this talk. One is that it's good to be in a conference, and to go to a conference, well, you have to present something. So why is it good to be in a conference? So the most I like in conferences to be kind of challenged in my own beliefs, to talk to people who have different opinions and try to challenge me. And that would be, explain to me why I'm wrong. So that would be kind of a nice conversation to have. And Lawrence Krauss said once, the best state to be in is be either wrong or confused, because it means there's something to learn. So now, one interesting aspect here is that we cannot really think about ourselves being wrong about a specific topic, because if we would think that, we would have already changed our mind. We kind of have always to think we are right, or we could think we are uncertain. So the best we can do is we can think we are uncertain, or we have no clue, and we know we are wrong about some things, but we cannot possibly know about which things we are wrong. So it's either way a win for me if we talk. So if you convince me, then I learn something really, and if not, I still probably learn something. And yeah, there can be all kind of outcomes on this. Of course, that's not the real reason for this talk. So I want to quote Noam Chomsky, who is one of the most prolific intellectuals, I think, of our time. So he was saying, if you're involved in a discussion or talking to an audience, ideally, you should not try to persuade them. And he was even stronger. He was saying,